And let's quickly round up for you all the big COVID headlines coming in from across the world. New cases of COVID-19 in the United States have soared to their highest level on record at over 265,000 per day on average. A surge driven largely by the highly contagious Omicron variant. New cases per day have more than doubled over the last 2 weeks, eclipsing the old mark of 250,000 that was set in mid-January. US health officials have, however, said that COVID deaths and hospitalizations are comparatively low despite the Omicron surge. The head of the World Health Organization, Tedros Adhanom, expressed concern about the Omicron and Delta variants of COVID, producing, according to him, a tsunami of cases between them, but also said that he's still hopeful that the world will put the worst of the pandemic behind it in 2022. The WHO chief urged everyone to make a New Year's resolution to get behind a campaign to vaccinate 70% of the country's population by the beginning of July. According to the WHO figures, the number of COVID cases recorded worldwide increased by 11% last week compared with the previous week. France on Wednesday recorded 208,000 new COVID cases, a record addition to the COVID case tally of the country. French Health Minister Olivier Véran on Wednesday defended a government plan to allow only the fully vaccinated to enjoy continued access to places such as restaurants, cinemas, theatres, museums and sports arenas. The pass will also be required on long-distance trains and domestic flights. He conceded that the Omicron surge isn't just a wave in France but a groundswell. Several hundred protesters took to the streets in Munich on Wednesday, calling for an end to restrictions against those who have not had a coronavirus vaccination. Protests have begun taking place across Germany as the government drive to contain the Omicron virus continues. The German health minister said on Wednesday that the number of new cases has been underreported and the actual rate of infection is about 2 or 3 times higher than the officially reported figure. Greece is introducing new restrictions on the hospitality sector from today, bringing forward measures planned for early January as coronavirus infections surge. The move came as health authorities reported on Wednesday that daily confirmed COVID cases had jumped by more than 7,000 to 28,828, a new all-time record with 72 deaths. Bars, nightclubs and restaurants will be forced to close at midnight with no standing customers and no music, with the exception of New Year's Eve when they can stay open until 2 a.m.